B1 to B2 restaurant vocabulary, 30 words. Reservation, a booking for a table. Example, we made a reservation for 7 o'clock. Available, free to use. Example, is there a table available? Host, the person who welcomes guests at a restaurant. Example, the host showed us to our table. Server, a waiter or waitress. Example, our server was very polite. Recommendation, advice about what to choose. Example, do you have any recommendations? Appetizer, a small dish before the main meal. Example, we ordered an appetizer to share. Main course, the biggest part of the meal. Example, my main course is grilled chicken. Side dish, extra food served with the main course. Example, rice is a good side dish. Special, a dish the restaurant offers that day. Example, what is today's special? Ingredient, something used to make food. Example, what ingredients are in this sauce? Vegetarian, food with no meat or fish. Example, do you have any vegetarian options? Allergy, a bad reaction to some foods. Example, I have a nut allergy. Mild, not very spicy. Example, can you make it mild, please? Medium, cooked or spiced in the middle level. Example, I would like my steak medium. Well done, cooked completely. Example, he wants his steak well done. Portion, the amount of food served. Example, the portions are very big here. Refill, more of the same drink. Example, can I get a refill, please? Tap water, normal water from the sink. Example, tap water is fine for me. Sparkling water, water with bubbles. Example, I prefer sparkling water. Soft drink, a cold drink with no alcohol. Example, I'll have a soft drink. Service, how restaurant staff treat customers. Example, the service was excellent. Delay, when something is late. Example, there was a delay with our food. Mistake, something that is wrong. Example, there is a mistake with our order. Complain, to say something is wrong. Example, we should complain politely. Apologize, to say sorry. Example, the server apologized for the delay. Discount, a lower price. Example, they gave us a discount because of the mistake. Receipt, paper that shows what you paid. Example, can I have the receipt, please? Split the bill, each person pays part of the bill. Example, let's split the bill. Takeaway box, a box for food you do not finish. Example, can I have a takeaway box? Tip, extra money for good service. Example, we left a tip for the server.
B1 to B2 restaurant, real conversation. Speakers, Mia and Noah. Noah, I'm really hungry. Did you make a reservation?
Yes, I made a reservation for 2 people at 7 o'clock. The restaurant looked popular online, so I didn't want to risk it.
Smart decision. Sometimes you arrive hungry and the host says, the wait time is 40 minutes. That is not dinner. That is emotional damage.
Exactly. Let's go in. Good evening. We have a reservation under Noah Carter.
The host says our table is ready. Nice.
Great. This table is available near the window. I like it.
Me too. It feels comfortable but not too formal.
Here comes our server.
Hello, could we see the menu, please?
And could we have some water too?
Tap water is fine for me.
I'll have sparkling water. I like the bubbles. They make me feel fancy.
Sparkling water is not a personality, Noah.
It is tonight.
Okay, fancy Noah. Let's look at the menu. Do you want an appetizer?
Yes, maybe we can order 1 appetizer to share. The garlic bread looks good.
Good idea. But let's ask for a recommendation. Sometimes the best dish is not the one you notice first.
True. Excuse me, do you have any recommendations?
The server says today's special is grilled fish with lemon sauce, and the pasta is very popular.
That sounds good. What are you getting for your main course?
I'm thinking about the pasta, but I want to check the ingredients first. I don't like heavy cream sauces.
Good point. You can ask what ingredients are in the sauce.
Excuse me, what ingredients are in the pasta sauce?
The server says tomato, garlic, basil, and olive oil. No cream.
Perfect. I'll get the pasta. What about you?
I might get steak, but I need to choose how it is cooked, medium or well done.
You always choose well done.
I know, people judge me for that.
I am one of those people.
I accept your judgment, but I still want it well done.
Fair enough. Do you want a side dish?
Yes, maybe rice or vegetables. The portions here look big, though.
True. If the portion is too big, we can ask for a takeaway box.
Excellent plan. Future Noah loves leftover food.
Do they have vegetarian options?
Yes, there is a vegetarian pasta, a salad bowl, and grilled vegetables.
Good. Restaurants should make vegetarian choices easy, not hidden at the bottom of the menu like a secret.
Agreed. Also, we should mention allergies. Do you still avoid nuts?
Yes. I don't have a serious allergy, but I prefer to avoid them. It's always better to ask.
Excuse me, does the pasta contain nuts?
The server says no, but the kitchen uses nuts in other dishes. That is helpful to know.
Good service already. Clear answers, friendly tone, no stress.
Exactly. Service matters. Food can be delicious, but bad service can ruin the whole experience.
True. Let's order. We'll have the garlic bread appetizer, tomato pasta, steak well done, one side dish of vegetables, tap water, and sparkling water.
Great. Now we wait.
Waiting is easy when bread is coming.
Your relationship with bread is very serious.
Bread has never disappointed me.
The appetizer is here. It smells amazing.
The garlic bread is delicious, crispy outside, soft inside.
Very professional food review.
Thank you. I watch too many restaurant videos.
Here come the main courses. My pasta looks great.
My steak looks good too. Wait, I think there is a mistake.
What happened?
I ordered vegetables as a side dish, but they brought fries.
That's easy to fix. Just tell the server politely.
Excuse me, I'm sorry, but I ordered vegetables as my side dish. I think there is a small mistake.
Perfect. Calm and polite.
The server apologized and said they will bring the vegetables.
That is good service. Mistakes happen, but the response matters.
Exactly. A polite apology can change everything.
How is your steak?
Good. Well done. Exactly how I like it.
I still disagree, but I respect your choices.
That is friendship.
My pasta is delicious. The sauce is mild, fresh, and not too heavy.
Mild is good. I like spicy food sometimes, but not when I want to enjoy my evening.
Same. If food is too spicy, I stop talking and start questioning my life.
That sounds dramatic, but accurate.
Do you want a refill?
Yes, I'll ask for another sparkling water.
Of course you will, fancy Noah.
Excuse me, could I get a refill, please?
This was a really good meal.
Yes, good food, good service, and only one small delay with the side dish.
They handled it well. Maybe they will give a small discount.
Maybe, but I don't expect it. They fixed the mistake quickly.
True. Should we get dessert?
I want dessert, but I am full.
Then we should share one cake.
Sharing dessert is dangerous. Someone always takes the bigger bite.
That someone is usually you.
I cannot deny the evidence.
Let's skip dessert today and ask for the bill.
Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
Do you want to split the bill?
Yes, let's split the bill. It is easier.
Can we pay by card?
The server says yes, and we should ask for the receipt.
Good idea. Can we have the receipt, please?
The bill looks correct. No extra charges, no mistakes.
Great. Let's leave a tip. The server was helpful and polite.
Agreed. Today, we used a lot of restaurant English. Reservation, available, host, server, recommendation, appetizer, main course, side dish, special, ingredient, vegetarian, allergy, mild, medium, well done, portion, refill, tap water, sparkling water, soft drink, service, delay, mistake, complain, apologize, discount, receipt, split the bill, takeaway box, and tip.
That is real restaurant English.
And real restaurant English is useful because restaurants are full of small decisions.
What to order, how to ask, how to explain a problem, how to pay, and how to stay polite.
Exactly. Learn the words, use them calmly, and dinner becomes easier.
And now?
Now we leave before I change my mind about dessert.
Too late. You already looked at the cake.
I was only saying goodbye to it.
B1 to B2 restaurant repeat sentences. Now, repeat these sentences. We made a reservation for 7 o'clock. Is there a table available? The host showed us to our table. Our server was very polite. Do you have any recommendations? We ordered an appetizer to share. My main course is grilled chicken. Rice is a good side dish. What is today's special? What ingredients are in this sauce? Do you have any vegetarian options? I have a nut allergy. Can you make it mild, please? I would like my steak medium. He wants his steak well done. The portions are very big here. Can I get a refill, please? Tap water is fine for me. I prefer sparkling water. I'll have a soft drink. The service was excellent. There was a delay with our food. There is a mistake with our order. We should complain politely. The server apologized for the delay. They gave us a discount because of the mistake. Can I have the receipt, please? Let's split the bill. Can I have a takeaway box? We left a tip for the server. Excellent work. Repeat these sentences until your restaurant English sounds clear, polite, and natural.